Everyone, welcome to the Student the Brand. So today, as I said, today we are going to discuss about electricity problems. You can see the title also. So electricity problems. Here I'm going with the all electricity problems now onwards. You can check once. I hope it is clear to you all, right? So in this video, completely we will talk about electricity problems. Electricity problems. Now you can see these are the electricity chapter. So now we will work out on it. So here, those who know, just you can check it once and try to solve it. Check it once and try to solve it. So here you can see a copper wire. So the question is a copper wire of resistivity 1.6 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter has a cross sectional area of 20 into 10 power minus 4 centimeter square. Calculate the length of this wire required to make a 10 ohm coil. So anyone try to solve it? Okay, so can you solve it? How to do it? This question? Anyone? If you know the answer, just try to solve it. See, this practice class as well as learning class. Okay, practice as well as so anyway I will explain. So here first of all, what is given? So you have to write given data. First of all, you have to write the given data. So what is the given data? So resistivity is given. Resistivity is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 8. 1.6 into 10 power minus 8. 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. Ohm meter is given, right? This is the resistivity. And a cross sectional area is given. So what is the cross sectional area? Cross sectional area equal to 20 into 10 power 20 into 10 power minus 4 centimeter square. 20 into 10 power minus 4 centimeter square. So calculate the length of the wire to make uh, calculate the length of this wire required to make a 10 ohm coil. So resistance also given. So R also given. So R value also given. How much? 10 ohm. 10 ohm. So we need to find out the length. We need to find out the length. How to find out the length? How to find out the length? We know the formula. So what is the formula? So R equal to rho into L by A. L by A. So this is the formula. So from this L equal to RA by RA. So cross multiply RA by rho. RA by rho. So here all the data we know, right? So we know resistance, we know area of the cross section, we know resistivity. See, practice, as I said, is a practice class. Okay, so problems compulsory. In the previous class, I explained entire electricity chapter. Now we are working on problems. So see, these problems are very very important. How solving problems and how to solve what is the given data, everything. So we must find out that one first. Then automatically. So anyone try to substitute the values. So this is the final formula. The length we have to find out. So L equal to RA by rho. So anyone, can you try to solve and tell the answer? Anyway, I'll tell final answer. But remaining students, I want remaining students, no. So try that one. Remaining students, those who are there. So try it. If you are not getting also, no problem. You don't need to worry about it. Sir, I didn't get, so I'm not getting. So okay, it's fine, no problem. Nothing happens. Okay. Finally, we need to practice. We are learning, right? So here we can see length equal to RA by rho. Okay, RA by rho. So R equal to how much? 10. So R equal to 10. So you have to substitute. Okay. So here you can see. You can see here. Now I am considering, so R equal to 10 into, so here area of the cross section they given in centimeter square. We have to convert into meter per, no, meter square. See, you have to check whether all the values are in SI unit or not, in one system or not. We have to check. Okay. So, hi sir, Raj sir, welcome to the class. Doctor Shiva sir. Still I didn't get, sir. Maybe in future, with your blessings, I may get. Okay. So it's fine. Come to the point. Here, see, here SI in it. Here also SI in it. But anyway, we are finding it will be SI in it only. But here you can check. Here you can check. They are given in centimeter square. So we have to. You must convert into meter square. You must convert into meter square. So 1 meter equal to how much? 1 meter equal to, so how much? 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equal to, here only centimeters only given, so you can take 1 meter equal to 1 meter equal to 10 square centimeter. So we have to find out centimeter square. So centimeter square we are taking. Then it will goes up 10 power minus 4. Okay, so 10 power square whole square will get meter square. Okay, so check once here. So from this one directly I have written. So centimeter square we can write like this. Okay, how we can write? 10 power minus 2 whole square meter square. Then you'll get 10 power minus 4 meter square. So 1 centimeter square equal to, so 10 power minus 4 meter square, you'll get it. Okay, so this one you have to substitute here. This one you have to substitute. Now length equal to, see, finally they're asking calculate the length of this wire required to make a 10 ohm resistance of the coil. So try to solve it. Try to solve it. How much you will get it? Try to solve it, anyone? Anyone? How much you will get the answer? Yes, sir. Student brand. Okay, so very simple. So very simple. You have to substitute the value here 10 into, so here 20 into 10 power 8, 20 into 10 power minus 8 by, so rho equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 8. Anyway, here 10 power minus 8, 10 power minus 8 get cancelled. So 10 power 8 minus 10 power 8 will get cancelled. If you solve this value, you'll get the length value. That's enough. Simple. Yes or no? Very simple problem. Very easy problem. So how much you'll get, you see here. Okay, you can check the answer. So L equal to RA by rho. So we solved as it is. Here you see, you can see the calculation here. So I explained everything in the side of the problem. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Here you can get it. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 10 square centimeter. 1 meter if you are taking that side, then you'll get, so centimeter square 10 power minus 4 meter square. So you are substituting here, this everything data will get cancelled, then you got the answer. So answer is 125 125 meter. As I said here, calculate the length of the wire required to make 10 ohm 10 ohm coil. So answer is how much? 125. Yes or no? See, very simple, very, very simple. So, however, we did the calculation. So, same like that, you can follow. So, 125 meter. So, this is the answer. Understood or not? So, very nice. So, like that, you have to solve. You can practice once. You can practice once. See, if you are practicing only, you'll get the answer. Okay. Simply, if you are copying whatever I am writing on the screen, okay, so you won't get it. You must practice along with me. Okay. Data given. So, data is there. So, area of the cross section is given. Resistance given. Length we have to find out. Length formula from the resistance. From resistance, we can take the length formula, R equal to rho into L by A. So from that length, so length we want a length equal to RA by rho, RA by rho. So from this one, we can solve it, you'll get 125 meter, 125 meter. Clear? Right. So we'll go to the next problem. Do you have any doubts? Anyone have doubt? So the question is this one. The question is this one. Those who are joining now, so you can check the question. You can check the question. The question is, A copper wire of resistivity. Once again, I'll explain once again. See, slowly we'll practice. Don't worry. No hurry. No. What we can say, no need to hurry, no need to go too fast, so we'll go very slowly only, and we'll understand. Once you understand the concept, so remaining things we can do it. So a copper wire of resistivity, so this is the resistivity is given, ohm meter. By seeing the units only you should understand. Ohm meter has a cross sectional area of 20 into 10 power. So cross section area is given. Calculate the length of this wire to require to make so here resistance also given, so that is 10 ohm, right? 10 ohm given. Now, so resistivity is there, so I wrote resistivity, area of the cross section, and resistance is there, so length we have to find out. So for the formula of no, for finding the length, we know the formula. What is that formula? For finding the length, we know the formula. What is that formula? So R equal to rho into L by A. R equal to rho into L by A. So we are using this formula, L equal to RA by rho. L equal to RA by rho. So this is the formula. So we have to use this formula. Okay. So now substitutes here. One more point here. All the units, you have to check whether all units are there in one system or not. Here you can check. So this is a different system. Okay. So remaining all are in SI system, but except area it is in CGS system. Area is in CGS system. So we have to convert this one into SI system. So that's why I'm converting like this. So 1 equal to 100 centimeter, 1 meter equal to 10 power centimeter, 10 square centimeter. If you are converting, you'll get it here. Okay. So if you're substituting 10 power, here one more thing, 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 4, how much? 10 power minus 4 into 10 power minus 4. So we have to add 10 power minus 4 minus 4. Then you'll get 10 power minus 8. Right? Like that. So we can do it. So one more problem. We'll do it. One more problem. Clear? So I hope it is clear to you all. So if you have any doubts, you can let me know. Those who are attending, so little bit late, you can check once. So previous no video. Here see. So this is the answer. You will get it. Clear? Now next one, you will go to the next one. Next one here you can see. So aluminum wire of radius. This is the question. This is the question. So aluminum wire of, see, even though if you see the answer and tell to me also, fine, no problem. Nothing will happen. Finally, you have to learn. That is only thing we are doing here. Nothing else. Final thing is you have to learn. You have to learn in the class. So here the question is aluminum wire has radius 0.25 mm. Okay. So under length given. Okay, length given. So you can check once. Length given. Aluminum wire has radius 0.25 mm and length is 75 meter. If the resistance of the wire is 10 ohm, so calculate the resistivity of aluminum. We have to find out the resistivity. How to find out resistivity? Can you tell me? How to find out resistivity? How to find out resistivity? Aluminum wire has radius. Wire has radius given. Okay, so here R given. R equal to, so radius, right? It's not, resistivity is length to resistivity is 10 ohm. Resistivity is 10 ohm. Radius given. Radius I am writing with a small letter. So 0.25 mm. 0.25 mm radius. And length given, length L equal to 75 meter, 75 meter. So we need to find out resistivity. So resistivity we have to find out. So how to find out? See, as I said, we have to check the units. All units are there in one system or not, we have to check. See here, resistance, SI unit. Here is the problem. Radius, it is not in SI system. Radius is in CGS system. MM given, MM. Okay, MM is given. So we have to convert into here. This one you have to convert into meters. Anyway, resistivity we have to find out. So normally 1 meter equal to, so this conversion is very very important. So one time I'm saying, so keep in mind. So 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm, 10 mm, 10 mm. Okay, so 1 meter equal to 1000 centimeter, 1000 mm, 1000 mm. That is nothing but 1 meter equal to 10 power 3 mm, 10 power 3 mm. Clear? Now, so you can check here. So this is the value given, right? This is the value. Now we have to find out resistivity. We have to find out the resistivity. To find out the resistivity, what is the formula? So normal formula is R equal to rho into L by A. So this is the formula. So here only we got radius. We got only radius. So normally area formula is pi r square. Pi r square. So pi value is 3.14. 3.14. Okay, 3.14. Pi value 3.14. Now you can substitute the values. You can substitute the values here. So in the area. So area. So radius we have to convert. I said no. So one. If you take from here, 1 mm equal to 1 mm equal to 10 power minus 3 meter. 1 mm equal to 10 power minus 3 meter. So radius equal to, so pi r square, right? So pi r square. So now you can take rho equal to RA by L. RA by L. So R equal to how much? 10. R value here is given, right? R value how much? 10. So 10 into, so 3.14 into, so 0.0.25 into 10 power minus 3 whole square. 10 power minus 3 whole square. So here we have to take the square. We have to take the square. So square we have to take by length how much? 75. Length how much? 75. So if you solve this one, how much you'll get it? Check once. So once again, aluminum wire has radius. So radius is given, this is the radius. Length given, length is this one. And if resistance of the wire is given, so 10. Calculate the resistivity of aluminum. So we have to find out resistivity. So resistivity form, first we have to check the all units whether they are in a CJ system or SI system. So here our radius is given in another different system. So convert first meter. So this the conversion data. So check it once, keep in mind, and write somewhere in our textbook. So very very important. Okay, so very very important. So use this formula, substitute these values, and you will get the answer. See, check once. Shall we check? So how much you get the answer? Time. Yes. So here you can check R equal to rho into L by A. Here you can check all the values. So are given. So this is the conversion. This is the conversion. What are the conversion I given? So same conversion is here, right? Yes. Okay. So R equal to rho into L by A, rho equal to RA by L. So pi R square, area is equal to pi R square. Substitute the values, then you get the answer. Okay, so 2 points. So this value 2.61 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. So that is the answer, right? So we'll go to the next question. Shall we go to the next one? Yes. So this is the next question. This is the next question. Check once here. A current of 500 milliampere, a current of 500 milliampere flows in a series circuit containing an electrical lamp and a conductor of 10 ohm. So here electrical lamp is given. Electrical lamp means, so we have to find out electrical lamp resistance. Conductor given, so 10 ohm when connected to 6 volts battery. So this is 6 volts battery they given. Find the resistance of the electrical lamp. So we have to find out the resistance. So what is the data given here? Here you can check. So current is given. Current is how much? Hi Abel A George. So what is your name? Abel or George? So here you can see current given. Current is 500 milliampere. So milliampere given. Milliampere is nothing but, milli is nothing but 10 power minus 3 we are considering. Okay, micro equal to 10 power minus 6. So now you can see electrical lamp conductor, conductor resistance is given. So I am taking L conductor lamp resistance. Okay, RCR. So I'm taking RCR. This is your wish. You can take anything. So I'm considering RC, resistance of the conductor. Okay, resistance of the conductor, how much given? 10 ohm. Resistance of the conductor is 10 ohm. Okay, so don't worry about it. So simple equation that is. So resistance of the conductor is 10 ohm and the resistance of the nothing but lamp, electrical lamp. Resistance of the electrical lamp. So we need to find out. Resistance of the electrical lamp is, so we have to find out. Okay, okay, done. Now find the resistance. Resistance we have to find resistance of the lamp. So any other data? Yes. So voltage given, that is nothing but V. V equal to how much? 6 volts. V equal to how much? 6 volts. So this is the data they given to us. So current is given. Current is 500 milliampere and resistance of the conductor. Resistance of the conductor is 10 ohm and the resistance of the lamp we have to find out. So voltage given. So we know formula V equal to IR. V equal to IR. Simple formula. Very basic. See, very basic formula. Very, very basic. Ohm's law only. Directly by using Ohm's law only we can find out this one. So V equal to how much? 6. And I equal to how much here? I said no, 500 into milli means 10 power minus 3. Okay, so you can see ampere and here resistance is nothing but both we have to take resistance of the lamp, resistance of the conductor. Okay, write first like this, then you can substitute the value once again. Now 6 equal to 500 into 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 3. So resistance of the RL plus RC equal to 10. RC equal to 10. Now you can check. So if you solve it, how much you'll get it? So you'll get it. So you can take 10 power minus 3, that's it. Then you'll get 6,000. Yes. So 6,000 by 500. 500 equal to RL plus RC. So 2020. So 512. Yeah. Correct. Huh? I hope it is correct according to me. So if you know if you get different answer, let me know. We will work out on it. If you get different answer, you can let me know. So here 12 equal to RL plus 10. Then RL equal to 12 minus 10. Then you will get RL equal to 2 ampere. So that is the answer. Anyone? Anyone get different answer? Anyone get different answer? Once again check the question. Once again check the question. So this is a complete question and answer. So a current of 500 milliampere flows in a series circuit containing an electrical lamp and a conductor of 10 ohm. So 10 ohm resistance. When connected to 6 volts battery, find the resistance of the electrical lamp. So this is the resistance of the electrical lamp. So try to work out. Okay. So try to work out along with me. So here I equal to 500 milliampere given. So resistance of the conductor is given. So voltage given. Okay, battery. So here battery means that whatever the battery is connected, that is only potential difference. You have to note down the data first. So if you are okay, so if you are clear with the data, automatically you'll get the half of the answer first. Then remaining answer we can solve with the formula. So here resistance of the lamp. Here you see containing an electrical lamp and a conductor. So a conductor given. Okay, and conductor resistance is given. Lamp we have to find out. So for finding the lamp, so we know basic formula. What is the basic formula? Basic formula, very very basics. So V equal to IR. Our basic formula is V equal to IR. So Ohm's law. Okay, so Ohm's law formula. Ohm's law. So basic formula, right? Ohm's law. That's enough. So we are taking Ohm's law V equal to IR. So we substituted I here. I have to convert into milliampere is 10 power minus 3. So our resistance is given. So you can take this value this side. Then you will get this value. So 6,000 by 500. 220 get cancel. 512 ja. So 12 equal to RL plus 10. So RL equal to 12 minus 10. So then you will get 2 ampere. Clear? Any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can let me know. Otherwise, try to solve this problem. Try to solve this problem. Do you have any doubts? See here, so we are trying to work 100 problems. So I'm targeting to complete 100 problems. So if you like this video, if you like this content, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. So that is only one thing I am asking. So do like, share, and subscribe. If you like the content, you can share to your friends. You can like it. Then automatically that will reach to the remaining students, remaining months, those who wanted to learn. Because see, I will tell one thing. So now you have time. So this is the starting of the year. Okay. So if in the starting of the year, if you work problems, so this see you can see. So our here is answer is how much? 2 ohm, right? So after solving everything, after doing. So here also, how much is the answer? So 2 ohm. Check once. Same process we did it. Okay, same. Okay. So that's enough for this problem. And coming to the next problem, see a few problems you have to try it. Here, see, I will tell one thing. Now you have time in your hand. So those are really aspiring for CBSE board exams. Now we have time. Now we have time. Focus, full focus, concentrate, whatever it may be, whatever it happens, full focus. Put a goal, put the target, aim for it. Okay. However, whatever the hard hurdles comes, whatever the struggle comes, Once fix the goal, target, fix the target. Okay, whatever it is reason, you can see the missile. Once you if you give target to the missile, missile will not miss, directly it reach to the target. So like that, you give target your mind. Okay, target your vision. So I need to reach this goal. I want this marks, and I want this particular rank, particular mark. Okay, so you have to work for it. You have to work for it day and night. Try to work out. Definitely you'll reach it. Okay, so now you are wasting the time. Now you are wasting the time. After few days, after some days, sir, I'm losing time. I'm not getting time. So to do the problems. So I'm feeling no sad, how to solve it, how to do it, how to, okay, so do this, how to overcome, like that. If you feel, nothing will work out, definitely nothing will work out. So what you have to do is, so plan, take a plan, stick to the plan, take a plan every time, take a plan. Okay, so I will give few tips, because you are solving the problems, right? So I'm giving few tips. So first point is uh, goal. So fix a goal, whatever it happens, so make it happens. Okay, whatever the hurdles, whatever the struggle comes, leave it about it. Focus only one goal. Okay, put the target. So every drop by drop, drop by drop. Okay, so add to your uh, work. Okay, so each and every day, every day. So every day you have to work for it. Every day you have to work for it. Whatever it happens, whatever the reason it is, whatever the situation it is, work for it, work for it. Surely you'll get it. One day, see here, if you're every day you're taking stones, so you can take a beaker or a tub. Every day you're throwing a stone, or you're placing the stone in one beaker. So you'll think, sir, it is only one day only, no, sir, one drop will only, no, one stone only, no. So I will bring all the stones at one day. So every day, if you are bringing the stone, so your concentration level increases, your motivation increases, consistency increases, subject knowledge will increases, focus on your goals, your mind will be free. So your stress will be free. Automatically you can focus on your goal. You can focus on your goal. You can balance the time. You can work for on your goals. You can improve your skills every day. Every day, each and every day, if you work it. Okay, if you work for it. So put the goal. So every day, one by one, each point. Okay, so add some content. Content. Add some content, then automatically, so you will reach the goal. Okay, come to the point. So you can check, draw a schematic diagram. So here we have to find out a schematic diagram. Draw a schematic diagram. So I already said, no, schematic diagram means, so it is a logical connection, a diagrammatic representation of logical connection of electrical equipment. A diagrammatic representation of logical connection of electrical equipments is called schematic diagram. So you can see here, so a schematic diagram of a circuit consisting of a battery, so of three cells, 2 volts each, combination of three resistors, so 10 ohm, 20 ohm and 30 ohm connected parallel. So a plug key and ammeter all connected in series. Use this circuit to find the value of the following. We have to find out the values. So what are those? First, current through each resistor, total current in the circuit, total effective resistance. So first of all, so you can check once. You can check once. So draw a schematic diagram. They ask, draw a schematic diagram. So what are the no appliances they given? You can check once. So it consisting of battery of three cells. Three cells, 2 volts each. So three cells I'm taking. So one, two, three. Oh, just for your understanding, I'm drawing. So for directly we can draw. No need to draw separately. Tools, tools given. Okay, so a combination of three resistors, connected in parallel. So here you see 10 ohm, 20 ohm, 30 ohm connected in parallel. So like this you have to take like this. So parallel combination. Directly you can join a side. So this is a parallel combination. A plug key and ammeter all connected in series. So a plug key. Say plug key and ammeter all connected in series. Use this circuit to find the value. So now you can draw the circuit diagram. So how to draw the circuit diagram? So you can take three resistors. Three resistors I'm taking. 1, 2, 3. So I'm taking ammeter. Next. So battery. Switch. So this is the okay, current is passing through it. So positive terminal, negative terminal, current is passing here. So the resistance is resistors. What are the resistors? Here 10 ohm, here 10 ohm, 20 ohm, and 30 ohm. So all are connected in parallel. Okay, so that is about. So you can see a draw a schematic diagram of circuit. See, this is the question. So this type of questions they will ask in the board exam. Same. So draw a schematic diagram of circuit consisting of battery of 3 cells. So battery of 3 cells. Here I mentioned here. So 2 ohm, 2 volts, 2 volts, 2 volts, and a combination of three resistors. Three resistors. What are those? 10 ohm, 20 ohm, 30 ohm. Connected a plug key and ammeter all connected in series. So here these are connected parallel, then remaining all are connected in series. So use this circuit to find the values. So now can you try? Can you try to solve it? So what is the question given? Can check once. So current through each resistor. Current through each resistor. So here we know potential difference. How much is the potential difference? So 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. Potential difference is 6. Potential difference is 6. Okay. So current we have to find out. Now here see each resistor they ask, right? Each resistors we are taking. So take each resistors. So here I am taking each resistor. First of all, we know V how much 6 volts and R how much 10 ohm. We are taking 10 ohm first. So I'm taking this 10 ohm first. So we know the formula V equal to IR. IR. So I equal to V by R. That's enough, no? 6 by 10. 0.6. Okay, 0.6. So that is the first one. 0.6. 0.6 ampere. So 0.6 ampere. Next one. So next one we can see so 20 ohm. So directly you can take I equal to how much? I equal to 6 by 20 and I equal to next 6 by 30. So try to solve it how much you will get the answer. So anyone at least someone who is there in the live class at least solve and tell, no? Solve and 10, 6 by 20 how much? 6 by 30 how much? 6 by 10 is 0.6. I did one, no? I did one value. I did one value, no? So it's so much hard work. What about remaining people are there in the live? So check once, no? How much 6 by 20, 6 by 30? Okay, so try to solve it. You can see here, here. So potential difference is given, resistance given. So each one I'm giving. So first we have to take resistance. So we'll get 0.6. So I also got 0.6 itself. Next one you can see V equal to 6 divided by 0.3 and 30 0.2. 30 0.2. Okay. So that's enough. That is about what is that? Current through 10 ohm and 20 ohm, 30 ohm resistors. Current through 10, 20, 30. Now we have to find out total current. Add all the current, right? Add all the current. So if they ask to find out total current means so 0.6 plus so 0.6 plus 0.3 plus 0.2. So 1.1. 1.1 is the answer. So we'll see 1.1 is the answer or not. Yes. Here is the 1.1 is the answer. 1.1 is the answer. And effective resistance. Effective resistance also we have to find out. Here effective resistance here you see this circuit diagram. This is circuit diagram. Okay, so this is circuit diagram. Here all are in parallel combination. All are connected in parallel combination. So 10, 20, 30. So that's why 1 by R equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. So we'll get the total resistance is 5.4 pi ohm. 5.4 pi. Clear? So it's very big question, very lengthy question, very big question, very lengthy question, but it's very easy only. So it's not that much difficulty. Okay. So where you could not able to do it. So it's not like that. It's very easy only, very simple only. So I explained now how to do it, how to answer it. So you can solve along with me. Okay. Those who are there, those who are attending the class, try to solve along with me. So once again, read this question. Once again, read this question. Very, very important question. Once read this question and try to solve it. So this is about CBSE Grade 10 Physics. CBSE Grade 10 Physics. Draw a schematic diagram of circuit consisting of a battery of 3 cells, 2 volts each. Okay, so like that you have to solve. And we'll go to the next question. We'll go to the next question. So the next question is very, very simple, very, very easy only. So very, very simple, very, very easy. Try to solve it. Just you can check once. You can check this question and try to solve it. Anyone can try to solve this question. It's a very simple question. This is the question. Who will tell the answer? I'm giving time. Who will tell the answer? See, those who are attending, for those who are okay. So those who are attending JEE NEET this year, those who are studying 10th class, those who are studying grade 12. So everyone can attend. Okay, everyone can attend this live class. So and you can answer to this question. Try to solve it, no problem. Nothing will happen. Try to solve it. Even if you're not getting also, no problem. So that yes, I did try. So whether I'm getting or not, answer or not. So I tried in the best possible way to solve the problem. That is only one thing we need. Here, find the resistance of the conductor if the electric current flowing through it is. So here current is given 0.35 is current. When the potential difference across it, potential difference also given. So what they are asking to find out? Resistance. V equal to IR formula we can use, no? V equal to IR formula. So current is given how much? 0.35 ampere, 35 ampere, and potential difference is given how much? 1.4 V potential difference. So now we can find out resistance. V equal to IR. So R equal to V by I. V equal to how much? 1.4. So I equal to how much? 0.35. So you can take 100 by 100, 100 by 100. So then you will see 140 by 35. Then how much is the answer? 140 by 35. Anyone? Anyone can try this question. So answer is 4. That is all the answer. Check once here. Clear? And one more question I'll give. So one more question. We are going to the one more question. Check once. I'll check here. So anyone try this question? So can anyone explain question to me? Have you got this answer? Have you got? Have you will get? How you will solve this question? How you will solve this question? Anyone? No one is there. The live. Okay, done. I'll only tell. What we'll do? We can't do anything. In a series combination, so in a series electrical circuit compromising resistor. So here you can see in a series electrical circuit compromising resistor made up of metallic wire. So ammeter reads 100 milliampere. If the length of the wire is doubled, how much is the current in the uh, circuit change? Just for your answer. So let take this question as a homework. Let take this question as a homework. Okay. So we'll see. Those who can will see how many people will tell the answer. I'll check. Okay. So signing off for today class. Thank you so much. This is our STB signing off.